We were selling this initially, and I said if this area supports, I start buying. But as you can clearly see, not one candle was supportive. And what happened? We broke this area and turned it into resistance. So, guys, we kept on selling and we hit both of our bearish targets. Very easy and very simple. All you need to do is understand price action. And I will be coming releasing my methodology, my way of trading on YouTube soon, which will explain how I trade and how why it works and why are other methodologies, other ways too hard and too confusing and nonsense. Anyways, guys, so we are bearish as long as we are below 111752. But what I expect is some kind of move up like this, then a move down like this. Okay, guys, this is my expectation for today. And if you break above this, you will be seeing 11322255 soon. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair and see you guys tomorrow. I would like to keep on selling it, but guys, we're already at a profit taking area, so that's it. So I would expect a pullback, and after that, if we sell it, we sell it. If we keep on buying it, we're buying it. We will see what happens at this area. So take care, guys, and see you next week.